Hi everyone! So today I'm doing a new subscription box, bag, whatever you want to call it, and this is House of Suppliez. And I'm looking at the box, I remember being really confused. This is for November. I have the December one now too. I need to catch up again. But the website says, this month's box, new supplies delivered to you every month. We make it easy for lash and nail artists to keep up with the latest trends in the industry. Subscribe to our monthly subscription box to receive new products. So you can choose the nail box or the lash box. I'm going to click how it works. Each month we curate monthly subscription boxes that includes products that are currently in trend. You get to choose a box, the lash box, the nail box, or the vanity box. I did the nail box. Subscribe to our monthly subscription, cancel anytime, box delivered to you. So let's look at the different subscriptions. So the vanity box is $19.99 a month. Comes with skincare and product tools, strip lashes, hair accessories, exclusive merch, cute and trendy outfits. There's an acrylic powder one that's $19.99 a month. There's a gel polish box that's $19.99 a month. There's new tools and tutorials, which is $25.99 a month. There's the Icy Girl box, which is $14.99 a month, which I believe is bling. And there's the nail box, which is $14.99 a month. And the lash box, which is $14.99 a month. And the gold membership. I believe I have the nail box. But like I wish I could get like pay a ton and get like all of them, but I can't afford that right now. And then it says House of Suppliez monthly subscription, $25.99 per month, nail tools and essentials, 4 new tutorials every month. Subscribe now and receive your first box, you won't regret it. So yeah, I definitely would consider like the Icy Girl box, the tools, and the gel polish, and the acrylic powder, but right now I'm just gonna do the nail box for now. And I have other subscription boxes that I'm trying as well. Yeah, so this one was $14.99 a month. And it doesn't say like what comes in it. It just says includes nail art every month, cancel anytime. So it doesn't say like how many things you're supposed to get or like what price it's supposed to add up to. But this is the first box, so we'll see how it goes. I like the packaging. I like that it says like House of Suppliez on it and the butterflies. I think it's really cute. And then I definitely know like every month when this is on my doorstep that it's this. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so I still need a new ring light and tripod, so we're working with my janky setup right now. But this is the box. These are my nails I redid my Gel X nails. I like these a lot better. But anyways, let's just go ahead, open this up. I only see a couple items in here, but then again, it's only $14.99. This says premium nail art stickers, high quality nail ornaments. And that's all it says. Open it up. Okay, and there's another bag on the inside. Let's figure out how to open it. Okay, so it looks like it comes with little caviar beads in different colors and then different colored flowers. So this one's light green, it's like a turquoise, light pink, white, like a light peach, and a light purple, and then it does come with a wax pencil to pick these up with. Let's see if I can pick up one flower and show you guys. So that's what that looks like. That's one of the bigger ones. And they're not like crazy thick. And then there's the caviar beads and stuff like that, so that's super cute. The next thing, oh my god, these are cute. These are little Gucci teddy bears. Those are cute though. So it'd be like one of the big nail designs. So as you can see, I believe that's Gucci. I think it is. Maybe I don't even know. But it comes with like a dark chocolate brown teddy bear and then like a light peachy teddy bear. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of the bears in there. So if you wanted to, you could create a whole manicure with a bear on each finger. And the next thing, are these little snakes. I think it's kind of hard to see them in the packaging. Let's see if I can open this up with my nails. There's 2 gold and 2 silver. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, I'm just struggling my calendar. Okay, so this is the silver one. I'm not even gonna try and get the gold one out. It's just a little snake. You can see that. It would literally, it would take up a whole, like, pretty long nail. Okay, so that's those. And I think I see 2 more things in here. Okay, I actually saw someone just order these on Amazon, I think. If they're what I think they are. Let's open it up and see if I can get one out. Oh my god. There we go. Okay, that was a much better way of opening it. But I believe they're the different Zodiac signs, if I read it. Yes, like this one says Aquarius. But those are, like, if you put them, it would be a very long nail, at least for like this one. Or I've seen like people, they have it dangling, but I don't see a piece on it to let it dangle. So like that's the Aquarius one. And then obviously if it's like a shorter name, I feel like you could put it on a shorter nail. So let's see the Pisces piece. It's like the Pisces one would almost fit on my nail. I would do it a little bit longer. But that's that one on there. So yeah, I believe it's just one of every piece, or like one for each sign in there. That's what I'm gonna assume. So these are all like pretty big things to put on the nail, except for the little like caviar bead flowers and stuff. Okay, and the last thing is House of Suppliez Professional Cuticle Oil in Lavender. It's 0.67 fluid ounces and 20 milliliters. Lavender is my favorite scent, so I'm happy about this. And it's House of Suppliez, so I don't know if like all of this is their brand or what, but oh, I love this packaging. I hope you guys can see it. I can't see my screen too well. So it's like a frosted packaging with a little dropper. Let me smell it really quick. Yeah, it smells like lavender. And then it's purple to go with the like the color of the scent. It comes with a nice little thick dropper. I like that. Just this alone you could get probably for like the price of the box. It says brush lightly on cuticle and massage 3 to 4 times per week. Use only as directed. Made in China. Ingredients: grapeseed oil, amino acids, blah blah blah, a ton of stuff. If you guys want to read it, there it is. Okay, but yeah, this is the entire box for $14.99. I think it's a pretty good deal. Just like these pieces alone, like you could pay a pretty penny for those. And then like I said, the cuticle oil, this would probably be like at least $10, maybe $15, depending on where you go. So yeah, I'm like satisfied with this for the first box. I don't know how much of this I'll like use. Maybe it's just like, it's best for nail professionals because then you can use it on like clients who want different things. I'll definitely use a cuticle oil. I'm about to put it in my cart right now. And then this stuff I plan to use in the future. Hopefully do some tutorials with it. I have so much nail art stuff. But yeah, overall I'm really pleased with this. I would like to subscribe to their other boxes as well. I don't know, maybe I can reach out to them and see if you can do like a bundle thing. And I could do like every box in one or something like that so I don't have to send multiple packages and things like that. Yeah, maybe I'll reach out to them right now. But that's it for this video. Let me know if you guys are interested in me continuing doing this box. As of right now, I plan on continuing this box. I think it's a good deal for $14 a month. The other box I have is the Amazon one and the candy cut one. So far I'm not very happy with the candy cut one just because of how long it's been taking to get to me, and I'm pretty sure they lost one of my boxes and then literally just don't email me back. But this one has been the most consistent so far. It comes on time every month. And yeah, so this, like I said, this is a November box. Now I'm just talking too much. Let me know if you want me to keep doing this box. I plan on keeping to do it. And yeah, like and subscribe for more, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for all the new subscribers lately. I really appreciate all of you. I love doing this so much. And yeah, that's about it. I hope to see you in the next video. Have a great holiday, guys. Bye.